Morning everyone. In the previous class we will learn the insurance company, meaning of insurance company and the types of insurance company. In last class we explained what is life insurance company and what is fire insurance company. In today's class we will learn what is marine insurance. Actually the insurance is related to commercial ship moving on the ocean. In present international trade, large cargo ship carry goods from the one country to another country. Marine insurance provides protection against loss of goods and destruction of ship due to ship perils or natural calamities. This insurance provides risk cover for the time of loading of goods till it's uploading the destination and the insurance premium paid in lump sum of the insurance company. समुद्री जहाज़ में जो शिप का कार्गो का जो इंश्योरेंस होता है ये मरीन इंश्योरेंस है. द नेक्स्ट इज़ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. इट इज़ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन द इंश्योरेंस एंड इंश्योर्ड पर्सन, जो बीमा कराता है और बीमा कंपनी के बीच का एक जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, अंडर विच द फॉर्मर प्रोवाइड्स श्योरिटी अगेंस्ट sudden death or accident to the latter against regular premium. The insurance company provides security of the insured of the depends in two ways: security of income and reimbursement of medical expenses. Okay, तो ये मैंने बताया कि what is marine insurance and what is health insurance. Then next, other principle of insurance, basic principle of insurance. Actually insurance is a contract between two parties wherever by an insured insurance company and promises to identify all losses to the insured policy holder on hoping on of a certain specified events against the consideration called insurance premium. The whole function of insurance is based two basic principle. First is principle of cooperation and the second is principle of probability. First is principle of cooperation. The basic concept of insurance lies in cooperation. One, the base of the principle of the load of security against the loss in separate of the whole society. It means that each member of the society is afraid from the mishap which can cases of life of properties and safeguard counsel. Then second is principle of probability. Probability refer to the uncertainty of hoping or non-hoping on the event. Future is always uncertain to the security against uncertainty is provided of the insurance company. Insurance companies accept a fixed sum at regular intervals in the form of premium for a fixed term policy from all the insured person and compensates by loss by paying the sum assured to the person who meets the specific message. Then next is reinsurance. What is reinsurance? What is the meaning of reinsurance? Every insurance company types to increase the number of insurance contract so that which the increase in business, the income of company should also increase sometime due to the special type of insurance. If due to such risk the insurance company starts rejecting the proposal, then the business of insurance company cannot grow. To solve such a problem, reinsurance in completed. एक बार बीमा कराने के बाद यदि उसका फिर से बीमा कराते हैं, that is called reinsurance. Okay. Reinsurance is a type of insurance that part of insurance which bear maximum risk and which the unbearable by insured company. In insured from their insurance company, this process is called reinsurance. Okay, thank you.